Hey guys, in this video we will make sleeve cap in AutoCAD 3D, which is the best practice for the beginners. So let's start. First we will make a circle, select the center point and enter the radius as 22.5. Then again make a circle, with radius 40 units. Then make a rectangle, select the first point and type 65,55. Now select the move command, select the rectangle, select the midpoint, move it to the center point. Choose the isometric view. Now type extrude. Select both the circle first, then move it to the upward direction and then type 75 units. Now again type the move command, select this rectangle, select any point, then type 7.5 units. Now again use the extrude command, extrude this rectangle to an height of 25 units. Now use the fillet command, fillet this edge with a radius of 12.5. Again use the fillet command, select this edge, double enter. Now choose the left view, type UCS V, enter. Now UCS change to this viewpoint. Now make a circle from this center point of diameter 9 units. Again make a circle of diameter 15 units. Now make a line from the center point to an angle of 225 units. Select just outward of this line, that's enough. Now type UCS to world, choose the isometric view. Now type move command, select this line. Now move it to the center point. We will use this line later. For first, now type select the top view again. Now make a rectangle, select any point, type 3,100. Now use the move command, select this rectangle, select at this point, choose the isometric view, move it to the center point. Now use the extrude command, select this rectangle, extrude to this length. It just crosses the whole part so that we can subtract. Now again use the extrude command, extrude this circle first, to a length of 8 units. Then again extrude, select this smaller circle and extrude it to 65 units. Now again type subtract, select this object, press enter, then select these two objects. Again use the subtract command, select this and this. Let me try again. Select the subtract command, select these two objects, then this inner circle. Now again use the subtract command, select this object, then this object. Now change the viewpoint to this point. Now we will extrude this line as a surface. Go to the surface tab, select the extrude panel. Now extrude this line to this length in this direction, and again extrude this, select this line and extrude to this direction. Now use the slice command. First select this object, then select the surface, then select this, press enter. Now again type slice, select this object, press enter, select the surface, select this surface. Now select both the surfaces, we don't know this. Now change the viewpoint. Now it is sliced this part, delete both the parts. Now we also don't need this line, delete this. Now let me show you by rotating this. Type rotate 3D, select both the objects, press enter, type the x-axis for the rotation, select any point. For the reference type 90 degree. So this is what I am trying to draw. This is a sleeve cap which is used to hold two shafts or two sleeves together. Now let's fillet this. Type fillet. Fillet these two lines with a radius of 12 units. Type fillet edge. Type fillet edge. Then type R, enter the value as 12, select this line, then this line, press enter and enter, and here it is. Now again fillet edge, type R, enter the radius of 3, select this chain option, then select this line and this and press enter. Similarly you can fillet this edge also, fillet edge, select this and this, press enter. Now let's try. Similarly you can fillet the remaining parts with the radius of 5. Now here it is, we have completed this diagram. Now color it, type color, choose any color that you want. I choose this sky blue color, click OK. Now draw a line. Now you can see it is in the same color. Now type change prompt, This is used to change the property. Select the source and the destination. Now let me show you in this shaded with edges view. And here it is. The diagram is completed. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel, and have a nice day. Thank you.